We just speak to make it through, facing all we've got to lose. So wash away, fighting everything we are, feeling blisters on my heart to make you stay.
Hey everyone, it's Prashasti here today. So I'm a little sick today, so please ignore my bad voice. Today's video is a DIY creation from Larissa's video, from her video of home decor. I'm recreating her coffee table. Larissa, if you're watching this, I love your videos and it would make my day if you watch the video. So I'm a very creative sort of a person. So the moment I saw that table, I knew I had to create it for myself. So let's begin the video and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. We are almost at 1,000. I would love if you could subscribe to my videos. And without wasting any time, let's just begin.
Okay, so to begin with the table, we'll be needing 2 big tires. Now you can get these easily at a petrol pump or your local tire wala. Then I cleaned them first with a nice wet cloth. Then what I did was I took this glue called FEVITIDE. Larissa used Arditite. I don't know, it was Arditite or something, I don't know. I used FEVITIDE. It's a very strong glue. It helps your tire to stick properly. I applied the glue on the tire, then I stick the tire over the other, then I pressed it very nicely. You have to do you have to sort of wait for it to dry. I don't know, like just sit with it or press it firmly, nicely, lie down on it and do whatever you feel like. Then after the process, take a rassi. It's basically called a jute wire. It's brown in color. That is the most fun part of the video. That is like the most important part. That will just give you the look of the table. Tie it around your tires like so. It's a little time consuming, but if you do it once, you'll get it. I mean, it just becomes super fun when you know it's all coming together. Then you would be needing a ply, a wood ply. Now you can get this at your local shop. My ply is 8 mm. Then you can use any, like 12 mm. 6 mm would be a little too thin, so I would recommend 8 mm. Larissa used 8 mm as well. Then again apply the FEVITIDE onto the rope and then stick the ply onto the tires, and that will just complete your table and it looks so pretty.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. I had a lot of fun making the table. It turned out so pretty. If you recreate the table, do tag me in your Instagram post. I would love to see that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.